What is this doing? I just put not a new battery, but a better battery. It's been on the charger for an hour now, the jump box. The first time I cranked it, it's like trying to crank. We'll see what happens. It keeps just like spinning like it's not even trying to crank. I don't know what's going on. That's trying to crank, but I just get weird feedback in my radio and just, I don't know. The engine's not turning over. It's just, I don't know if you can hear it out there, but it's just like spinning. Can't really turn the radio off. It's weird. I don't know why it does this. Sometimes it just won't crank the engine over. I replaced the starter. It's a remanufactured one, and I don't know. When I first was trying it, it was cranking over, but just really slow. It was like brrr, brrr. So I thought the battery's too weak, which it might be, but those lights are pretty bright now. Now it's just spinning. Not even trying to crank over. I don't know why it's spinning. It just... Oh. Nothing. No, it's not doing anything. So these connections on here are good. This connection on the starter is good. I mean, that's tight. Got that one plugged in right there. I don't know if that's right or not, but that's how the old one was on, so I don't know, it's like, I mean, it's on. I don't get it.